traffic jam. And this is where being on the bike pays off. And why I ride to work, if it's raining or sunny or cold, no matter what. Couple of downshifts, get into the middle, hazard lights on. Not really sure what the deal is with that, but a lot of people in Holland do it, so figured if it makes you more visible, it makes you more visible. Oh, motorbike friend. He's going to go in front of me and be really slow, isn't he? Turn the music down because I'm old and I need to turn it down to concentrate. Yep, he's in front of me and he looks like he's going to be slow. Now I know in places like America, there's a lot of places you can't lane split like this, or filter, we call it filtering. You can here, but you've got to be fucking careful because people do stupid shit. A lot of people just swerve over from one lane to the other. Come on mate, let me pass then. Check your mirrors, check your mirrors. Not checking his mirrors. Oh, maybe that was a cheeky check. Give him a cheeky wave, thanks mate. Thank you, thank you. See you later. Now, full concentration mode. You normally tell if people want to change lane because they slowly kind of creep towards the white line. And what you find a lot of people do when they've seen you is they'll actually give you more space. I don't even know if it's or if they're thinking about it, if it's just like it's automatic thing to kind of get out of the way a bit, but they're really good here. So your TIG one's a bit all over the place there. Don't do it, mate. Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. Good morning. Blue license plate, they'll kill you. Taxi drivers, nightmare drivers. The problem is when people drive too much, is they just get a bit complacent and they don't really check and they just think they're the best drivers in the world. Cue the comments about me being shit at driving, thank you. The blue license plate creeped toward the line, but he's not done it, so I'm going. Also gives me a little bit more confidence if I see their wing mirror light up red. Because then if they do try and indicate or go towards the line, the car beeps at them because it knows something's there. So, but not all cars have it. Thank you, Mr. Toyota. Oh, cheeky. Let's give it some. There's actually this left lane forks off shortly, so there's a lot of people going to want to be switching lanes probably last minute without indicator. The gap there, is he going to go for it? No. Yeah, I'm going to get into the other lane and filter through there because this is less movement. Shoulder check for other bikes. No bikes. I do find because this bike's quite loud, people do hear it as well, especially on a sunny day. They have the windows down and they kind of dart out of your way quite quickly. Thank you mate, thank you mate. See, people just moving out of my way like I'm Jesus. Definitely not Jesus. Sorry if you're religious. I'm not sure what I think about this new sound that this exhaust is making. It's a bit annoying. But it's louder at the low RPM, which is probably a good thing. Loud pipes save lives. Well, that one's tight. Move over, dickhead. Oh, motorbike friends! Yay! What we saying? What we saying? What we saying? Oh yeah, I've got a cheeky bit of ankle showing, just in a hoodie. That is not riding gear. That is not safe. other thing is I can never hear whether other people's bikes sound good because mine's fucking so loud in my ears. Am I going to do a cheeky reach around and get in front of these guys? Reach around, ladies and gentlemen. Right, this is the busy bit. Dip in here. Get across and begin filtering. Amsterdam. Not sure what this part's called. I guess it's the CBD. Probably called something else in Dutch because they're Dutch. It's a big boy with all his luggage. I mean, at some point, when you put that many panniers on your bike, it kind of just becomes a small car because you can't really, I mean, I guess you could probably still fit through some traffic, but you still got the freedom, haven't you? Freedom! Cheeky wave as we go past. Hello, friend. I like your helmet colour, it's nice. Wave. Yeah, I got one back. And I'm speeding. Average speed limit of 80. And I've had 3 speeding tickets here already, so let's not get another one. In the Netherlands, if you get a speeding ticket, as long as you're not going more than, I think, 50 over the limit, you just get a fine. In the UK, you get points on your license, and then once you've got so many points, you just lose your license, which is probably a better system for safety-wise. But for me, this is way better because I speedy a lot. It does get quite expensive if you get 3 in 1 week, which has happened. Inspectie levelgeving and transport inspection something. Let's hope that doesn't include me. I mean, the lights are yellow, so I don't think they can pull people over. I think you have to have blue lights to pull people over. Completely made that rule up, but well, this many cars is going to go green any second because I know the traffic light order. Oh yeah, it's green. Snip in a bit more. Let's gain a few more positions on the grid. God, to love it. It's like a fucking symphony. Shit song. You know, I end the journey with a good song. Good song. I fear the worst. Why could you leave it all behind? A bit emotional for Monday morning, guys, but why not? I don't want to say good.